about to take on our largest field. So we are starting our largest field of Milo today. Like I said, 240 acres all the way down to those trees. This is the same field along the interstate where we harvested these beans over here. This was flood irrigated where we're at right now. Nathan's eating lunch over there.
Okay, it's Caelan here in the harvest field with Blair, the cutest member of the Peterson family by a long shot. I'm not biased or anything. I'm thinking that today we should do interviews with the Peterson family when they come to eat. We will call this Harvest Meal Chat. That's not a great name, but it's what I named it. What is your initial reaction to this idea?
I need to go combine. Yeah, Nathan wants to get out of here.
Okay, Nathan, tell us what's happening today.
We're combining Milo.
How do you feel about it?
This is good Milo.
That's great news.
Oh, we just got started. It took us a long time to get started.
What was the hold up? This sounds like a very
Cattle,
2020 type day.
Cattle, some breakdown, but we also had all the trucks full from last night, which was good. We had a really good day yesterday. So.
That's a really good seeing the positive. Don't forget cookies.
What's your feature question for me?
He's getting
Caelan?
those cookies.
Here's the thing.
This is the content people want to see.
Here's the thing. There's oatmeal raisin cookies in there, which I like oatmeal raisin cookies. They're great, but who would ever choose to eat one over chocolate chip?
Here's the moment. Nathan's wife made those. What did you pick?
I picked chocolate chip. You told her. She knows that she's glad because it leaves more oatmeal raisin for her.
We've still got the row head on 2 of the combines, just because we didn't really want to go all the way home and switch out for the flex head. But we're pretty much done cutting down Milo. I think all the rest of our Milo is still standing, so that's good.
So what's for lunch today?
Hamburgers with all the fixings.
How do you feel about it?
It's really good. It's better than a sandwich.
Kendall's tired of me bringing sandwiches to the field.
That's not true. I just would rather eat other things.
So
What about you, Blair? Do you want a sandwich?
What is your role today in the Milo harvest?
I'm just going to stay over here, eat hamburgers, and hold Blair. All right, I ate all my stuff. I'm going to go trade Greg off in the combine while he eats.
Efficiency. How's your day going?
It's going good. Got a double cheeseburger. Getting the taste of Milo dust out of my mouth, so that's always good.
That sounds really appetizing. So, what has been your favorite part of fall harvest so far?
I think how nice the weather's been.
Oh, it's been nice. Today's especially nice.
As long as I don't think about it not raining.
There goes Greg. Grandma Peterson, last one to eat today.
Kind of goes as far as you can see, all the way to those trees down there, all the way to those trees over there. It stops in front of the trees here, and it goes all the way to the interstate. There goes the 9610, 9600, and the 7720. had a good long day, and I would say we're about half done. Kind of forgot to vlog there the second half of the day. It just got busy. This field is kind of a challenge to cut in the dark because there's an electric line that runs through the middle of it, and so every once in a while you gotta watch out for those poles. But it's a nice big flat field, so we're cutting here at night, and hoping to fill up the trucks so that we'll have plenty to haul in the morning. We've just got one more truck to fill, and then we're gonna fill the grain cart as well. But a down and back is a completely full load, and so it doesn't take long. Just about done for the night. Now I switched back to the other combine. Nathan needed to finish some things up with the flex head. Got all the interstate traffic lights to keep me company. That's kind of nice. Aftermath of last night. Got almost all of this done here. Forgot a strip there in the dark. But then we've got all that to do today. Probably another 120 acres or so about half done. Not bad. Not a bad sky.
Okay, Blair and I, she's sleeping. We are back at the same Milo field as yesterday, that big field. And we're gonna check in with everybody again and see how it's going. So Kendall is eating first because he's about to head to the elevator with a load. So what kind of progress did you guys make yesterday?
Well, Greg and Nathan, they decided to get ambitious, and they cut to fill 4 trucks after dark last night. So I made it home with one truck right before sunset. Well, it was at sunset, and they filled the 2 in front of that plus the 2 that had just returned. So we had 4 trucks to haul in this morning, so I'm taking one of those 4. Dad is currently doing maintenance on one combine. Nathan already did the maintenance on the other 2 combines and the trucks. So Greg has hauled in 2 loads this morning, and we're getting rolling now. Not the earliest start, but we had some other stuff we were doing this morning. Dad and I did some cattle stuff. We're down 2 people today. Both Brianna and my mom have stuff going on.
They're both at their regular jobs.
They're at their regular job.
They're non-farming jobs.
But my uncle, who helped us some last year, is going to come and run a combine for a little bit.
Okay, off to the elevator he goes.
Thanks,
Blair and I will load back up and see if we can track down everyone else. So Greg and Kendall are finishing taking those loads in from last night, and David and Nathan are fueling up the combines and about to get started.
What, am I supposed to talk?
I'll ask you a question. How would you rate yesterday's harvest day on a scale of 1 to 10?
7.
Why?
Got a lot done, but there were a few annoying minor breakdown things.
So, do you think you're going to finish this field today?
Probably not finish it.
Okay.
I think we'll get a lot done.
You know,
It's Friday, there's a football game.
do you know if you and Kendall are going? Or?
So what's been your favorite part of fall harvest so far?
The meals.
Good answer.
He's trying to get brownie points.
Yeah. So where's my brownie? No.
It's oatmeal raisin cookies today, your favorite.
Second favorite.
It's because everybody ate the...
Fourth favorite.
Everybody,
Both them cookies were good.
everybody ate the chocolate chip cookies yesterday, and there's no chocolate chip left. Only oatmeal raisin.
I had some oatmeal raisin and they were good.
They're good. They're just chocolate chips. Still better.
Off they go. Okay, I hope that you guys have enjoyed the harvest meal chats. It was kind of this little fun idea that I had. That's what I do during harvest, is deliver food and run errands and run people around. And I think that meals in the field are very fun part of harvest. And I try to make it a fun time for everybody that's working to have a little stress reliever and a little encouragement while they eat, a little bit of a break. And so I wanted to bring you guys along and just have a little bit of fun. So I hope that you enjoyed it, and maybe I'll do this again sometime if you guys like the harvest meal chats.
Oh, my mouth's full.
It's harvest meal chat. You're eating. Greg's eating the end of the casserole. I don't think it's warm anymore.
That's still decent.
Okay. Nice shirt. Tractor Stuck.
Tractor Stuck.
Everybody get one of these t-shirts. Key Apparel. Those are awesome. If your kid loves Tractor Stuck, that's what every kid says their favorite video, isn't it?
It's a kid favorite for sure.
By far.
I'm a kid, so it's my favorite.
So Greg was just at the elevator.
Mm-hmm.
And now, what are you going to do? Keep hauling to the elevator?
I'm not sure what my next task is.
Okay.
I'm eating, and I'll either, pull another load or run the grain cart. I'm not sure.
What would be your preference?
My preference? My preference is variety.
Oh.
I'm stuck doing the same thing all day, every day. I get bored or tired.
I think it's a good thing you're a farmer.
Yeah, none of the days are the same when you're a farmer. Everything's always changing. So I like doing a bunch of different things. Even the combines. Give me 2 hours in the old 7720 versus
Good old 7720.
Well, folks, we are finishing up this field. This is day 3, and it's about 2 p.m., so it took us about 2.5 days to finish up here. We are done with our full season crops on October 17th, which is probably close to a month earlier than it has been the last 2 years. And we're farming quite a few more acres than we were the last 2 years. And so the weather has been perfect for harvest. There's been really no delays. We've definitely moved quickly. We're all really tired because there's been no rain delays. There's been nothing to keep us out of the field. And so we've pretty much gone hard for a full month since corn harvest started there in mid-September. And we still have a few fields of wheat to plant, and then we have all of our double crops to harvest. But we are done with full season after this field. So we're very thankful for that. You'll probably see some vlogs as we're doing the double crop. But that's it for this vlog, and hope you guys enjoyed getting to see us harvest our largest field, 240 acres of Milo. We actually have another 230 acre field of double crop Milo, so that'll probably be in the next vlog. But this was our largest field of full season, and yeah, it was a fun field to harvest. It's a fun field to harvest. So I'm gonna let you guys go. Please remember to click subscribe if you like what you see. Leave us any comments if you have any questions. Thank you for watching our videos, and hope you guys have a great rest of your day. See you next time.